He can be the most potent weapon imaginable to ensure that the government is not returned to the forthcoming election. The government's big boast, as you know, sir, is the way they have dealt with crime during the last few months, recruiting brutal young roughs into the police, proposing debilitating and will-sapping techniques of conditioning. Oh, we've seen it all before in other countries, the thin end of the wedge. Before we know where we are, we shall have the full apparatus of totalitarianism. This young boy is a living witness to these diabolical proposals. The people, the common people, must know, must see. There are great traditions of liberty to defend. The tradition of liberty is all. The common people will let it go, oh yes. They will sell liberty for a quieter life. That is why they must be led, sir. Driven, pushed. Fine. Oh, thank you very much, sir. He'll be here.
At the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile.